Hello, BIOL1 students, and welcome to week 13. That means we have this week, 2 more weeks after that of classes, and then the final, and that's it. I apologize for the late upload of this, but like you, I'm catching up on stuff. So I just wanted to review what's going on this week. We are on Module 19, Speciation and Evolution Review. I did replace Wendy Riggs' Lecture 21. There are actually 7 short videos on that. So if you've just watched the first one, I can show you. Up in this upper right-hand corner, when you click on that, there's several different very short videos. That way you can break the material down into smaller bits for viewing as you have the time and attention span to do so. Let's see, let's go back to where we were. I added some of Khan Academy resources. At the beginning of all of this, I provided a link to our own classroom on Khan Academy. Everything on there is optional. However, I will be using some of those resources for our next exam. So there are self-check quizzes on that Khan Academy site. Really good idea to go there and take advantage of those additional resources. But I put up an article for Evidence for Evolution, an article about Darwin, evolution and natural selection, about species, what is a species, and speciation, how do new species come to be, and some short videos on those 2 topics. I kept the study guides there for mechanisms of evolution, so you can use those to guide you for what's important in the Khan Academy resources I've put in this module, and a couple of other resources there at the bottom. For the history of life on Earth, which will be for Thursday, I have added some more Khan Academy resources about building phylogenetic trees. That is a way to distribute and form a picture of evolutionary relationships. And there will be a lab this week practicing that as well. And then how to use taxonomy, how we go about naming species and other higher levels of classification, how that relates to their relationships in evolution. And again, study guide and helpful resources. The other thing that's important as an announcement for you is that I have gone into the gradebook and made it so that the lowest exam score will be dropped. So you've had 3 exams, including the 3rd exam that everyone did a great job on through Canvas, and then there will be the final. This means that if you are happy with your first 3 exam scores, you can skip the final. If you're happy with your exam scores and you want to take the final, that's great, and then your lowest score of the 4 exams will be dropped. And if you're unhappy with one of your scores, then this is your chance to redeem yourself and do really well on the final, and then that means you'll keep that score, and one of your previous lower exam scores will be dropped. As always, if you have any questions, you're struggling with anything, please email me. I can't help you if you don't let me know that you're having difficulties. We can either have an email exchange, we can open up a threaded discussion on Canvas, you can request a Zoom meeting. I've had a few with students and I've been able to really clarify some things, share my screen, and help them out. So I hope everyone is doing well and healthy and staying inside as much as possible, except perhaps to exercise while wearing a face mask. Take care.